Hello everyone, it's Farmanali. Today we will learn about TCP/IP model in networking. Question number 1 is what does TCP stands for? The options are Transmission Control Protocol, Transfer Control Protocol, Transmission Command Protocol, Transfer Command Protocol. The correct option is Transmission Control Protocol. Question number 2 is which layer of the TCP/IP model is responsible for routing? The options are application, transport, internet, network interface. The correct option is internet. Question number 3 is which protocol is used to send email? The options are FTP, HTTP, SMTP, SNMP. The correct option is SMTP. Question number 4 is which two protocols are used in the transport layer of the TCP/IP model? The options are UDP and HTTP, TCP and UDP, HTTP and TCP, ICMP and HTTP. The correct option is TCP and UDP. Question number 5 is what is the purpose of the DNS protocol? The options are to send emails, to transfer files, to resolve domain names to IP addresses, to manage network devices. The correct option is to resolve domain names to IP addresses. Question number 6 is which class of IP address provides a maximum of only 254 host addresses per network ID? The options are Class A, Class B, Class C, Class D. The correct option is Class C. Question number 7 is what does the time to live field in an IP packet header indicate? The options are the total size of the packet, the type of service, the maximum time a packet is allowed to remain in the network, the priority of packet. The correct option is the maximum time a packet is allowed to remain in the network. Question number 8 is which protocol uses a window flow control system? The options are UDP, TCP, FTP, none of the above. The correct option is TCP. Question number 9 is which protocol is used to transfer files between computers on a network? The options are HTTP, SMTP, FTP, SNMP. The correct option is FTP. Question number 10 is what is the primary function of the ARP protocol? The options are assign IP addresses dynamically, resolve IP addresses to MAC addresses, manage email transmission, control data flow in networks. The correct option is resolve IP addresses to MAC addresses. Question number 11 is which layer of the TCP/IP model is responsible for ensuring data integrity and error-free delivery? The options are application, transport, internet, network interface. The correct option is transport. Question number 12 is what is the maximum size of an IP header? The options are 20 bytes, 60 bytes, 40 bytes, 80 bytes. The correct option is 60 bytes. Question number 13 is what is the purpose of the ICMP protocol? The options are to send error messages and operational information, to transfer files, to provide IP addresses assignments, to encrypt data. The correct option is to send error messages and operational information. Question number 14 is which protocol is used to request IP addresses dynamically? The options are ARP, DHCP, DNS, FTP. The correct option is DHCP. Question number 15 is which of the following is a transport layer protocol? The options are IP, TCP, ICMP, HTTP. The correct option is TCP. Question number 16 is Which protocol deals with email transmission? The options are SMTP, LPD, FTP, X Windows. The correct option is SMTP. Question number 17 is the field in an IP packet that defines the number of hops a packet can travel before being dropped is called. The options are flex, time to live, offset, none of the above. The correct option is time to live. Question number 18 is which layer of the TCP IP model is also referred to as the network layer? The options are inter-network layer, network interface, session, application. The correct option is inter-network layer. Question number 19 is which of the following protocols is used to report issues in IP packets? The options are IGMP, ICMP, ARP, none of the above. The correct option is ICMP. Question number 20 is what size is the header in a UDP packet? The options are 8 bytes, 16 bytes, 4 bytes, none of the above. The correct option is 8 bytes.